Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to explain you SCF. Children, you all know to find out the factors of the given number. Today in this class we will learn how can we find out SCF. First of all, let us know what is the meaning of SCF. H is for highest, C for common, F for factor. Means highest common factor. So let us understand how can we get the highest common factor. I have taken here one example. The numbers are 24, 36 and 42. You have to find out the SCF of these numbers. So first of all, we will find the prime factors of each number by repeated division method. Okay, children, you all know about prime numbers. In the last turn, I had told you what are the prime numbers. So we will divide each of the number by prime number. So let us start with this 24. So first of all, we will write 24 and draw line like this. Okay. And the first prime number is 2. Is this number is divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. So we will divide 24 by 2 and it will come 12. Again we will divide this number by 2. 2 6 are 12. Again we will divide it by 2. It comes 3. Children, you all know 3 is a prime number. So this can be divided by itself only. So we will divide this number by itself and the answer comes 1. Okay. Now what are these? These are the prime factors of 24. Similarly, we will calculate the prime factors of 36. We will apply same method. Start dividing this number by first prime number, the smallest, that one is 2. So 2 18s are 36. Again divide by 2. 2 9s are 80. Now children, here you can see that 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will move on the next prime number, that is 3. So we will divide this 9 by 3. As you all know, 3 is a prime number, so it will be divided by itself and the quotient comes once. So now the complete division. Now similarly, we will calculate the prime factors of 42. Right? Start dividing this number by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. It means 22 21s are 42. Okay. Now 21 is not divisible by 2. So you will move on the next prime number and that is 3. So 3 7s are 21. Right? Children, you all know 7 is also a prime number. Right? If you have not learned the prime numbers between 2 to 50, please learn, because it will help you a lot to calculate SCF. Right? So 7 is a prime number. It will be divided by itself and the answer comes 1. Okay. Now we will write the factorization of each number. What are the factorization of 24? How many times 2? 3 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. Correct? Similarly, we will write all the factors of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, right? Similarly, we will find the factors of write the factors of 42. So what are the factors of 42? 2 into 3 into 7. After writing the factorization, we will just find the common factors. Which number is present in all three? This prime number is present in all three, right? And this 3 is also present in all three numbers. So common factors, you have got 2, that is 2 and 3. When you will multiply these two numbers, that will come 6, and this will be your SCF. Means by 6 you can divide 24, 36 and 42 completely. So 6 is the highest common factor of these three numbers. Now let us take one more example, 25 and 80. Children, again we will divide these two numbers by prime numbers. Okay, so let us start. Write 25, draw a line like this. Start with 2. Can you divide 25 by 2? No, you cannot divide. So move on the next number. Is it divisible by 3? No. Why? Children, if you remember the divisibility rule by 3, you can see that this number is not divisible by 3. When you will add these two digits, it comes 7, and 7 does not come in 3's table, so this number cannot be divided by 3. Now after 3, which one is the prime number? 5. So you will divide this number by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 is a prime number, so it will be divided by itself, comes 1. Similarly, you will find the prime factors of 80. Start with 2. It can be easily divisible by 2 because one's place has 0 and it is even number, and all the even numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 40s are 80. Now again you will divide this 40 by 2, 20. Again you will divide this 20 by 2, 2 10s are. Again you will divide by 2, 2 5s are 10, right? Now this 5 is a prime number, so it can be divided by itself. So the quotient comes 1. Okay. Now you will write all the factors, prime factors of these two numbers. So first I will write of 25, 5 into 5, correct? Now similarly we will write all the factors of 80, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now just find out the common factors. Common factors means the number that is present in both numbers, because here two numbers are there, so you will just find out which one is the common number that is present in both these numbers. This is 5. 5 is present in both numbers, so you will write 5 only. Okay, and remember children, you have to write common number only one time. See, this 2 is common among all three numbers, so it is written one time only, and this 3 is common among all three numbers, so it is written one time only. Similarly, this 5 is present in these two numbers, so it will be written one time. Now just find out, any other number is common? No. So this will be your common factor and this will be your SCF also. So SCF is 5. Children, hope you all have understood this method of SCF. So please do practice and build your concept. Thank you and have a good day.